Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit from any screen. If you go into menu and you've got sync settings, sync applications. So sync settings, that's how you accept it. So it's okay there. I always have a tendency to press the volume control. You got Bluetooth on. There's a tick next to Bluetooth on. If you're having problems, make sure you go into that menu and make sure there's a tick next to Bluetooth on. So just click down to Bluetooth devices. Then there's an arrow at the right hand side. That's that button. Click the right hand side. There's that first one, iPhone, Foz, or whoever that is. And then at the bottom you've got add, delete and connect. So that's add, that's delete, that's connect, and that's blank. So we want delete. So we click delete and it's asking me delete iPhone, Foz, yes or no. Yes. That's it gone. Now I'll just delete my phone as well, just make some room on here. So Barry's iPhone, that's highlight, delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it gone.